Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix WeTransfer login issues, access and upload. First, check that WeTransfer is not currently down by searching WeTransfer status and confirming there is no outage. Next, restart your device to clear temporary system and network glitches that can block login or uploads. Then, switch your internet connection from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or from mobile data to Wi-Fi, to rule out a router issue. After that, open a private or incognito window and try logging in again to bypass broken cached sessions. Now, clear your browser cache and cookies for WeTransfer.com, then fully close and reopen the browser. Make sure your browser is updated to the latest version because outdated browsers can fail on modern login pages. Disable browser extensions like ad blockers, privacy tools, download managers, and script blockers, then retry the login. If you use a VPN or proxy, turn it off temporarily because some WeTransfer security checks may block it. Check your device date and time settings and set them to automatic because incorrect time can break secure connections. Try a different browser such as Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari to isolate whether the issue is browser specific. If you are using the WeTransfer app, update the app from the App Store or Google Play and try again. Force close the WeTransfer app and reopen it to refresh the session and clear stuck background processes. If login fails, use the Forgot Password option and reset your password using the newest email link you receive. Confirm you are using the correct login method, such as Google, Apple, or email, and stick to the same method each time. Check your email inbox and spam folder for WeTransfer verification or magic link emails and open the latest one only. If the page keeps redirecting, allow cookies for WeTransfer because login sessions require cookies to be enabled. For upload errors, verify your file size is within your plan limits and reduce the file size if necessary. Rename files to remove special characters and very long names because some uploads fail on unsupported file names. Compress multiple files into a single zip folder to simplify the transfer and reduce upload conflicts. Pause other downloads, streaming, or cloud sync services because heavy bandwidth usage can cause upload timeouts. Try uploading one file at a time to identify whether a specific file is corrupted or causing the error. Check available storage if you are using the mobile app because low device storage can interrupt uploads. Temporarily disable antivirus web protection or firewall scanning for the upload, then enable it again after testing. If you are on a work or school network, try a personal network because restricted networks may block file transfer services. Change DNS to a public DNS like Google DNS or Cloudflare DNS to fix resolution errors that prevent access. If you see a specific error code, search that exact message and apply the recommended fix for that code. Log out of WeTransfer on all devices if possible, then log back in to refresh account authentication. Contact WeTransfer support with screenshots, your browser or app version, and the exact time of the issue for faster help. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.